and most welcome to MX Breaks on MX24 TV. My name is the Daphne Flashley. Let's get straight into our stories for today. As usual, MX Breaks brings you nothing but the best in entertainment and fashion and food and so much more. Well, we're getting into our stories for today and we're starting with Moliy. I think I've spoken about Moliy every other week because yes, Moliy is working hard and every single time is a milestone for her. Now she's been nominated for America Music Awards. Yes, she's been nominated for America Music Awards. Big congratulations to her. Now she's in the nominees with Burna Boy and other Nigerian acts who happen to be the best African. I am super excited for her, so let's get straight into the stories. Nominations for the 2026 American Music Awards are out, and while global stars like Taylor Swift, Morgan Wallen, and Sabrina Carpenter lead the headlines, Africa is making a powerful statement. Ghanaian singer Moliy has secured a nomination for Best Africa or Best Afrobeats Artist, marking a major milestone in her rising global journey. Known for her smooth, honey voice sound and a blend of Afropop and soulful R&B, Moliy has grown from a hidden gem in Accra to an international name. The recognition follows her recent win as World Artist of the Year at the iHeartRadio Music Awards. Now she joins a competitive lineup which includes Tyla, Burna Boy, Rema, and Wizkid. Big congratulations to Moliy. It looks like her award season is not coming to an end anytime soon. She is working extremely hard and I'm excited for her.